Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain my AT&T mobile app review to see if it was using. So to get started with the breakdown and the drawback about this platform. My AT&T mobile app is a powerful all-in-one tool designed for AT&T customers to manage their account directly from their smartphones. It offers convenient features such as bills payment, real-time data usage tracking, and plan management for wireless, internet, and TV service. With just a few taps, user can upgrade their phone, switch plans, or even manage multiple lines from a single account. The app also provides helpful notifications, including billing reminders, music alert, which help users stay on the top of their expenses and service limit. Additionally, the app includes a store locator, customer support tools, and access to exclusive promotions, making it a handy companion for AT&T subscribers. However, the app isn't without its flaws. Some users report occasional issues such as app crashes, unexpected layout, or sluggish customer support response times within the app. First-time users may also find the layout a bit overwhelming due to the numbers of features and menu layers. Despite this drawback, the AT&T app is generally reliable and highly functional, especially for routine account management tasks. For most AT&T customers, it's a convenient alternative to using a desktop browser or calling customer service, and it's definitely worth downloading if you want a fast, easier way to manage your AT&T service on the go. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AT&T mobile app, and that's it.